The Toyota Corolla Cross 2022 is equipped with convenient trunk access features that allow you to open the rear hatch without leaving the driver's seat. This is especially helpful when you need quick access to the cargo area while parked or when loading items after unlocking the vehicle. Depending on the trim level, the trunk can be opened using a dedicated release button inside the cabin or by unlocking it first and then lifting the rear hatch manually. Understanding where the interior release control is located makes accessing the trunk faster and more convenient. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the vehicle is unlocked or the ignition is in accessory mode so the interior controls are active. Step 2. Locate the trunk release button on the driver's side dashboard or door panel. Step 3. Press the trunk release button once to unlock the rear hatch. Step 4. Exit the vehicle and lift the trunk handle on the rear hatch to open it fully. Step 5. If the hatch doesn't open, check that the vehicle is unlocked and try the release button again.